What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and today I'm going to review Doodleoze. You're probably wondering what the heck is Doodleoze. Stick with me here, because with Doodleoze, without any previous experience, you can actually make any kind of doodle videos, whiteboard animation videos, any kind of animation videos actually, and a lot more. I'm actually going to demonstrate to you today here on how easy and fast you can do this kind of videos. And I'm also going to do this a no-brainer for you, because I'm going to include a unique bonus package that you won't find anywhere else. So all you have to do is stay with me here to the end of the video and pay close attention what I'm going to share with you here. I'm going to show you on how you can make money actually also with it. So let's get started. Okay, so I basically don't do reviews so much these days, because I want actually, when I do review about something, I want it to be good or a trusted vendor, and that is exactly what this is. This is really, really good. And my background, if you didn't know, actually, before I get started, also I created with me and my team over 20,000 commercials and videos during for almost 2 decades now. Okay, so I do know a bit about audio and video here. So that is why I'm going to let you in on a perfect opportunity for you to make money online with this software and my unique bonus package there. Okay, enough talk, let's get started. Let's get started with having a quick demo on how easy and fast you can make this kind of videos here. So first you need to create a project. I already done that, so let's go ahead and create a new scene. And now we want to add a doodle. So basically there is some doodles that are included here. Let's pick real estate. It doesn't matter what we are picking here actually. So here is an image, and basically you can see how easy you can move around and actually resize it. So I'm going to do an animation here. So let's do an animation. Let's go here first. Let's add another point. So let it go down like this. So now if I close the canvas, I'm going to have a quick preview. Boom, there you see, that was one animation. All right, let's move on here. Let's play a little bit with text, and let's go here, invest in your future. Okay, we're talking about real estate and make money with videos, and you're investing in your future with this. So what I'm going to do here is, you can see I open up here. If I want something with an effects, we have the animation already, so we don't need to do that, but we can add effects on the text here. Add new effect, and look at this. We can sketch by hand, we can fade, fly. There is so many animations here, okay, and they are good. I mean, they're really good. Let's do something here, which probably, let's do a sketch by hand for this, okay? And what I wanted to do is I wanted first the animation to come in, and then I want to do the text here, sketched. Here you can select the duration, so let's do it something like this. Okay, let's close the canvas. Now we're going to do a scene preview. There we have the animation, and there you have the text there. So you saw how quickly and easy I did this, okay? Let's do something else here, create a new scene. Let's add something from a local storage. Okay. Make money. Alright, so now I can actually select that I don't want it to be sketched, but I want this to be sketched actually. So I add it here. Let's go for something like this. I could put it in all the canvas here if I want to. Okay, you see, you saw earlier how quickly and easy we can resize anything here. And what we want to do, let's add a text here also. Okay, make money with videos fast, because that is what you can do with this. So there you have it, make money with videos fast. Let's change the color. Let's do something like this. All right. So I'm not going to actually do much more here, but let's add an effect here, and let's do a kinetic text in skew from right to long, I don't know, or maybe I should pick something else here. Oh, so many, and they are good. Let's do jump up, rotate back. I don't know what how it's going to look. So let's close the canvas and let's do the scene preview. Alright, so there you have it. Did you see how cool and how fast you could actually do animations? There are no limits actually, because when you start to play around with this, you need to practice a little bit. You are going to make your videos really super fast, okay? So we can have a quick preview of what I did earlier here. Boom, there you had it. And the next one, this is the next scene. Alright. So this is how you do any kind of animation and doodle videos. So there you had the demonstration. This is the sales page that I'd really want you to have a closer look at for yourself. Watch the videos. First, you can see here they do explain that you can create unlimited doodle videos, no restrictions. This is a special one-time pricing also, and you're going to get some sketch images, animations, and font selection. So you get tons of things here delivered when you grab this package here today, okay? So have a closer look actually at the sales page here. There's no need for me to read it through, because I want you to actually have a look at, this is a cool demo. It probably is less than 4 minutes, 3 or something, where they show you exactly on how they do one of the animations there. And you can see here, join 35,000 plus businesses and people that use and trust the video apps there. So they do know how to create this kind of softwares. This is the Explaindio team, and Explaindio is a well-known software. Here are actually some demonstrations on how you can do what you can do here.
Let us handle all the work for you. We will take stunning pictures of your home.
Okay, there you had a blackboard animation. Let's play something here. Okay, I'm not going to play more here for you. You can have a look at this for yourself. Alright, so I highly suggest you, of course, to grab the recent bonus package that you will get here also during the launching period, of course. So this is exactly what you are getting. I mean, you get the commercial license. That is super nice. You get the 500 doodle sketch images, background videos, text animation effects. So you can see here, really there are no limits on how you can make money with this. So now you're saying, okay, that is cool. Let's have a quick look before I actually proceed here. This is the FAQ section also. There are no monthly charges for this. You can create how many you want. There's no need for me to read it through here. But basically what I wanted to show you is also the members area. When you purchase this, these are all watch over my shoulder style videos. Super easy to follow. You can be up and running within an hour actually by just watching these videos here. So it is a no-brainer. But let me just give you a quick example on how you can make money with this, okay? First, let's take an offline example. What you can do is you can go to any kind of an offline business and offer them these kind of videos, okay? There is your first entry actually. So just create something for them and say, I have a cool idea for you. Do you have a YouTube channel or something that you want to have it uploaded? And if they don't have, then good for you, because you can actually help them out with that, of course, too, okay? Help them with uploading videos and stuff like that. So this is just the beginning, okay? I highly recommend you to do this. I do this myself, actually, with offline businesses. I just got back here today with another website that I sold, and it's just the beginning, because they want to do also 5 or 6 videos here. So that is one way you can get started. If you don't like it, well, how about go to fiverr.com, and I just typed Doodle videos here earlier, okay? So you can see here, it starts at 46 euros. This is approximately at $50, all right? So if I just open up here and let's have a look at
ideas without boring your audience. I hire the service of skilled writers to create scripts that will make potential clients.
Okay, so this is exactly what you can do with Doodleoze, okay? And you can see that he charges $50 for this. It is for 30 seconds, okay? So if you want something more, which they probably want, look at this, if you want 1080p, 112, it's $120. And here is the premium package for 120 seconds. So I hope you realize that you can make some serious money with this. Now, of course, there is cheaper versions, but these are actually a template that they use. So you can, of course, create a template and have it there. So you can have it done in more, I don't think you need probably more than 5 minutes to create any kind of these videos, okay? But if you want to make it a more customized, people will pay you for it, no doubt about it, because if you do a good job there, they will be satisfied and they will get back to you and purchase more and again, okay? So that is about Fiverr. You can go, of course, to other sites. There is people per hour. Just look at animation videos here. Look at this animated video, 250 euros. This is 270 US dollars or something like that. 350 animated music videos. Okay, there you have it. Explainer videos, animator for explainer video, YouTube and website. There is so many opportunities here that you can apply for actually with Doodleoze, okay? I just typed, of course, in Upwork also Doodle video, and it starts with $40 per hour here, 18, here's something really cheap, so this is for an hour actually. So you can just say that it took you through 2 or 3 hours to create this kind of video, okay? So it's not the hours here, but it is usually the project that you bid on. So make sure when you get started, if you haven't already created a profile on Fiverr or anywhere else, that you bid low in the beginning, so you can actually get some good reputation and of course build on that and increase your prices there. Alright, final one. Let's go ahead and have a look at my unique bonus package that you're going to get here if you grab this during the launching period. So my unique bonus package is my own course, which is Audiovideomastery. As I said in the beginning, I have created audio and video productions. We probably produced well over 20, I'm not going to say 25, but definitely we are around 24,000. I lost the count there right now. So I've been doing this for almost 2 decades now, okay? So I really do know a few things about audio, especially audio and video, of course. And what I did was I created this course for anyone who wants to get started actually to make videos and audios like a pro. I discovered a loophole with Camtasia. The sound wasn't so good, and that is how actually the whole idea got started. So what I did is I created a fast way on how you can fix your sound in less than a minute with Camtasia there, and then I expanded actually on created a full-blown course for anyone, even if you're totally new, to get started to make audio and videos like a pro. Now audio is definitely 50% of a good video production, and you can have a quick look at my sales page if you don't believe me, or Google it, and you can see here the importance of sound in video productions. Okay, so what I did actually was that I created, as I said, a course here. And I don't show you only the features in Camtasia. What I do is I actually show you on real live examples that I have been doing when I created the course here. So this is one quick example on how to use a footage, how I downloaded everything for free. I had my script and I actually created this here. Okay, let's just show you a little bit so you know exactly.
How to lose weight.
Okay, so what I did is I actually showed you on a real life example. I think it's a better way to learn this way actually, because you want to learn how to use footage. You don't want to learn the latest feature or just show you around that you can do an animation or something like that. That is my opinion, and it looks like it worked because I got a lot of satisfied customers with Audiovideomastery here. So I sell this for $27 as you can see here, and I'm going to include it as a bonus package if you grab Doodleoze from my link. You find my link here. If you're on YouTube, it's going to be a link right here below in the description. If you are on my site, myimtips.com, and you watch this here, then you find a link right here below also to grab it. What you need to do next is you want to send an email to me with your receipt so I can give you access to actually Audiovideomastery also. Okay, if you're subscribed to my list, you just reply there. If not, just send it to easywaywebmarketing@gmail.com and send it with your receipt, your name and email address, of course, also, so I can add you in the members area there. So there you have it, Doodleoze, perfect opportunity to make money online with, a no-brainer with my unique bonus package, because you can then apply actually to do more than just doodle videos. You can do any kind of videos actually. You can do YouTube videos, so you can work as a video editor and animator more or less actually by just getting started with these two products, the software here and my course, Audiovideomastery. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for taking the time and watching this video. As I said, you'll find links right here below. Don't miss out. This is a no-brainer to get started with it. If you don't want to go this route, you can actually just create videos for yourself. Okay, upload them on YouTube. There is another option there. So there you have it. Alright. I'm looking forward to see you inside the members area and of course my members area in Audiovideomastery as well. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.